Hello everyone, congratulations to all the students who got shortlisted for Gulf Summer of Code. I got tons of messages on LinkedIn, Twitter that they got shortlisted after watching my video, and there are few students who haven't received a mail as of now. So I would suggest you to wait for next 2-3 days more. They will send you the mail because they got more than 70,000 registration. So, and lots of students also requested me to make a video how to contribute to Gulf Summer of Code, what they should do next. So in this video I am going to discuss, if you are a contributor, project admin or project mentor, what you should do in the Gulf Summer of Code. So if we goes to gsoc.gulfscript.tech, you can find out as of now registration is still open. So if you want to register for Gulf Summer of Code, you can register. Registration for contributor and mentor is not there. They should disable this button. Okay, no problem. But you can register as a project admin. You can fill the form. If you have any project idea that you want some contributor contributes to that project, do fill that form. Okay, so now I will check out this project section. Goes to click on this project. You can find all the 2023 projects. So these are the projects that you have to work on in Gulf Summer of Code 2023. So what to do now? So first of all, depending on what are your skills, what is your interest, what you have learned recently and wants to practice. Let's say you learn HTML. So type in the search bar HTML, and here you can find lots of projects which use HTML. Okay, so you can find its detail. Let's say click on this project's detail. You can read the description, and if you like the description, you want to read more about that, just click on this repository link. So if you go through this repository, so the very first thing that you have to do is go through the readme. A readme file contains all the detail of that project. So if I read this readme, I can find that this is a collection of front-end projects, mini projects, and component animation games. So this is more of a collection where you can share your all front-end related projects. So if you see, currently it's have 200 stars, 279 folks. That means lots of contributors are contributing to this project, and you can find they didn't mention. Okay, so they mention the how to contribute guide. So how to contribute, you should read this, and then you can contribute to this, and there are lots of contributors there. So yeah, and if I goes to the issues, so first of all, you have, once you have see what they are doing in the readme, the second thing that you have to do, if they have hosted project, so just check out the link. Okay, so there is some error in the hosting. So what you have to do, if the project is not hosted, you have to go to this issues, readme, then deployed link, then issues. In the issues you can find all these issues that was raised, and now you can work on that. Let's say you want to improve the UI of birthday website. Okay, so you can say, you have to write in complete detail that describe the feature that you want to add. Okay, expected behavior, what was the screenshot, like if you have some UI issues, you can add the screenshot, and you can say, I want to work on this issue under GSOC, please assign this to me. Now there will be 2-3 mentor of each project. So once the project mentor assign that issue to you, then you can contribute to them and to create a pull request. So here you can see this is the pull request, and if you don't know about how to create a pull request, you can watch my video. So adding Kotlin folders and a project. So this is how you have to add the you have to write the complete description, you have to write complete checklist. Here you have to check what are the things you have done, and yeah. So finally, if the now as a mentor, you have to review this. You have to go to the file changes. You will see like they create one folder git keep, they create second folder. Now if you if you feel it's right, you can review changes. You can click on approve. It's look good to me. Otherwise, you can write a comment and say like there is some problems. You can request some changes, and you can click on this submit review. So I think now you are able to understand what types of project you want to do, how to contribute to. You can, if you are learning JavaScript, suggest JavaScript, and you can find lots of projects on JavaScript. You can find Python projects, search Python, and here you can find lots of Python projects as well. If you search CSS, I hope you understand like what you have to do, whatever the skills you are learning, tries to contribute to that project. Let's say you want to learn Nest.js. Okay, so type Nest.js, and there will be few projects. There are these 4 projects whose stack is Nest.js. So click on the project detail, goes to the repository link and start working on that. But as yeah, this is a good project, you can start working on that. But as of now I can see there is few mistakes and there are the few things which project admin haven't mentioned. So I want to show those mistakes. So this project was a part of GulfScript Summer of Code 2021. So I will give the idea what types of like issues and the label will be on the issues and the PR. So you can read the complete readme so that you get idea how to contribute. You should have all the resources to learn all the tech stack mentioned in that project. Now if you comes to the issues, now it comes to the mentor part. What mentor has to do? Let's say if I comes to this label and write GSOC and I goes to GSSOC'21, so you can see there are 546 issues that was closed. Now you can see there are lots of issues that was closed during that time. So if I goes to, let's say, chatbot feature, so here you can see she asked stimulate human like conversation and she wants to work on this project and assign me with the required label. So here are the some labels. So level 3 means it is hard and you get the 15 points, level 2 you get the 10 point, and level 1 you will get the 5 point. I don't know, like maybe this time some points will be different, but there will be some level 1, level 2, level 3 depending on the complexity of that task. Okay, so you should not be like changing just spelling of the readme and you will not get a good point, and there will be one leaderboard for that this level is required. Okay, so and this is hers is the mentor who will assign any task to the contributor, and once the task is assigned she can raise the PR. You can see this is the PR that she raised and you can open the PR, and once the PR is raised, I was the project admin, I close this issue, or this issue can be closed by the project mentor as well. So here is the level 3. So level 3 means 15 point will be given to Anjali once this PR will be closed. So I hope now you are able to understand what is the mentor role, assigning the task to contributor, helping contributors to contribute to the project. As a contributor you have to find the issues, you have to create the PR, you have to ask the mentors to put all the required labels on the issues and the PR so that you get the good point as well. So yeah, this is all for this video. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section.